Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, so we can select these fields and save the layout. This layout, sorry, select the fields and save the layout. We have to create one more layout, FB50 layout, -1, saved. Layout has changed. Then whenever if required, just select this one and go to the layout select, layout 1 automatically is there. So if you go to the layout 2, select this one, automatically line fields has to be exited. Like that, real time, they are creating the multiple layouts as per the requirements. Okay. Okay. This is document view, right? FB03 documented, we have to choose this one and select /n. Now FB03 is activated. I mean FB03 level we can choose, and we have a different. Okay, now FBL 3N, right? FBL 3N. FBL 3N is GL account line item balance, right? So here we have a different, please listen carefully. We have a different fields available while reporting vendor point of view, FBL1N, customer point of view, FBL5N, GL point of view, FBL3N. This is the standard reports. Either if as per HANA new version also, mostly they are using the same thing, same T code, but we have additional T codes also, but users are comfortable for these T codes only. So now FBL3N, right? So FBL3N. If you want to select particular GLY, then report, we can select the GL account. If you want to select bulk level GL wise, then we have to add. So, for example, this GL report I have, so we can add the GL account. Otherwise, all the GLs if required, then we can leave it empty. And if required one company code, then we can update one company code. If you required multiple company codes, TAMO2, TAM1 something. Otherwise, 1 to ZZ something like that. If you mention, system is generating the report. Later, based on the layout, we can filter out company code wise. These are the fields. And here, these are the help ID, search ID, something you can leave it. And coming to open items, cleared items, all items, right? So customer and vendor point of view, you will get clarity, open items. So for example, recon account or something need to be clearing accounts or a vendor balances, customer balances, right? Once invoice posted, again we have to clear that invoice. So invoice point of view, pending invoices, pending GL need to be clear. Like these kind of GL, if you want to generate, then we have to select the open items and cleared items. For example, just now I paid some transaction to the vendor or customer. So and GL point of view, whichever the transaction paid. So if I want to see, then I have to select the cleared items. All items, open items, paid items, everything come available in the all items. So based on the field selection checkbox requirement, we have to update, system has to generate, but here also date order filtering. So clearing date. So 20 to this month, 10th to today, in between how many transactions clear. So date order was order wise also we can select. So posting date. So transactions posting date on between 1 to 26 like that. Date order also we have to update. So these are the fields, open items, cleared items, items. Then this is also important interview point of view. They are asking normal items, noted items, parked items. So normal items means nothing but whatever we posted transaction, that is nothing but normal items. Simply normal item means customer invoice or customer payment, vendor invoice or vendor payment, and GL transaction, GL payment, everything comes under the normal items. So what is the noted items? So noted item means transaction is posted, but it cannot reflected any financial transaction in the accounting books, accounting records. So it means what kind of the transaction we can treat as a noted items means advance requests, customer advance request. For example, vendor advance request. If you want to purchase any goods and services from XYZ vendor, vendor is expecting something amount in the form of advance from our side. So these kind of transaction, how we are going to update in our system is with the help of noted items. With the help of noted item means with the help of special GL indicators. So we have a different transaction going forward. I'll explain. So whenever we are selecting the special GL transaction, either X, GL, KM, something A or B. So each and every system has having something special GL as per the business requirement, something LC process, post dated checks, letter of credit, security deposit, bank guarantee given, received. Different scenarios business has to face advance requests and advance payments. So these kind of transaction. So whatever these kind of advance relevant requests, payments, everything transaction we can consider as a noted items. So if we can select, for example, now I'm selecting FBL 3N. System has generated our transaction. Whatever we posted, system has generated the transaction. Okay. This is the 25,000 we posted, right? So assignment. Okay. I mentioned assignment point of view, date I mentioned. So this assignment document number, sorry. So it is showing the document number, document date, document number. This assignment, I have to check which assignment we will select at the time of bank GL creation, right? Document date, SA, document date, account number. So these are all the report. So here also we have a option, change layout, select layout, create layout. So select n number of fields is there. So these are all the fields currently activated in left side. So accordingly system will generate the report. If required, cost center. If required, cost center select. If required, physical year select. Like that we are going to create. And automatically cost center, profit center also it is available. Cost center, but till we don't create cost center, physical year, everything. So everything we have a fields. Accordingly we can select, but in real time, whatever SAP provide the standard fields, these fields also not suitable as per the business requirement. In this case, they are going to customization. It means some additional fields also adding in the same kind of reports. That also we will cover going forward. That is real-time scenarios configuration. And now it is display, right? Just go back. I am selecting, removing the noted items. Sorry, removing the normal items, selecting the noted items and execute. System, it cannot be generated because here there is no any advanced transactions, advanced requests, advanced payments. So these kind of transactions not happen. So noted item, it is showing as a 0. And parked item. So parked items means I'll explain going forward. Just document has to park, but it cannot reflect at any business transaction, just park. So these kind of park documents also, if you want to view, then select these. In all the transaction, we will verify one by one. So this is the GL line item wise, FBL 3N and FB03 is the document wise. And one more thing, FS10N. Each and every GL wise balances checking purpose, we are using the FS10N. FS 10N. Okay, so this is the recent GL account. If required, we can remove and we can view the required GL accounts. So just click on, I mentioned the GL accounts, company code here. If we have any business area, select the business area. Otherwise, click on the execute. Okay, right. This is the salary GL account. So entire salary GL, we can post 25,000 debit transaction and total balance this one, and this is the cumulative transaction. Okay. If any transaction reverse in the salaries, then it is showing as a credit. If we are posting, for example, this is the salary GL. So debit side and balance, debit plus credit, whatever amount is there. And this is the cumulative. If you posted any transaction again 25, it is added 25, 25, here total 25 plus 25, 50. Like here cumulative also 50. Like that it is reporting. FS10N, this is important T code. So now same T code I just updated. You have to select the another GL. FS10N, drill down, TMOC. I'm selecting the rent. So we don't post any transaction under the rent. So system it is showing no data, right? Again, I am selecting one more GL account. Axis Bank, select, execute. It is showing 25,000, right? So Axis Bank shows the credit. Here X salary comes under the debit. So same way here also credit balance, it is showing negative because in bank account till we don't load any balance. It means we don't add any bank balances, so that it is showing as a minus balance. If opening balance having 1 lakh, after deducting 25, it is showing 75, so that it is reflecting. So whatever the transaction posted, it is showing multiple scenarios. One is GL balance wise, FS10N. Another one is line item display, FBL3N. And another one is document view. So in the document view also, multiple views. So transaction document view, ledger document view, currency document view. Okay. And based on the profit center view, like the multiple scenarios. So everything, whatever you are doing the practice, same thing we have to do the entries and prepare separate notebooks. So FB0, FBL1N comes under the line item wise, FS10N comes under the balance wise, like that. So whenever you are reach out to up to GL APAR, so everything you have to prepare the notes and do the practice. Clear everyone? Hello?
Sir.
Can you share recording for after that, right?
Yes, maximum I will share today only. Daily have some other works. But everything records is there. I will share, no issue. All the records is there. Okay, and thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Mm.
Thank you, sir.
Mm.